Hello guys, good morning all. So finally PAWS dropped the criteria what you need to do to claim your PAWS token from Phantom Wallet to any of these exchanges, whether Bybit or BitGet. So look right here. PAWS claiming programmed for the smoothest claiming experience. Make sure your Phantom Wallet is top up with enough Solana gas fee. Any on-chain transaction may require a basic processing fee. PAWS claiming will go live at our official website, only pawscommunity on Phantom Wallet. Here is something I want you guys to know. If you know that you want to claim your PAWS immediately once they announce the claiming time, this is what you need to do first. Go get gas fee of Solana at least, let me say 0.01 or 0.02 Solana gas fee and be ready for claiming of this PAWS airdrop. Once they announce the claiming time, then you can just get in and claim your tokens, right? So if you scroll down, you see something they posted yesterday. Only a few days left until the official listing date. Tokens withdrawn to CEX will be, which is centralized exchanges, right? So will be deposited into your account on April 16. On-chain claim will be available exclusively via pawsweb, right? Here's something you need to do. Make sure you have the gas fee, because I hear a lot of people are saying that PAWS are going to postpone their listing date. There's nothing like that, right? There's nothing like that. PAWS are not going to postpone their listing date. The only thing we're expecting now is on 16 that the PAWS airdrop is going live. So let's be ready to cash out massively. Happy Sunday to all my fans. So the giveaway that I said we are going to start very soon, we are going to announce it this evening, right? So make sure you stay tuned, turn the notification button and be ready for it. So we had a challenge, through our guest, but there's no problem. We're going to solve everything out. So if you're yet to, buy Solana gas fee, quickly do that right now, because very soon you're not going, Solana is going to go up. And maybe if you want to buy gas fee, you have to spend a lot of money. We don't know the price that PAWS airdrop is going to list. We heard that they raised 2.1 billion, which if you calculate 2.1 billion to the maximum supply of PAWS, which is 100 billion tokens, that's around 0.021, right? But we don't know. Let's see what is going to happen. Let's just expect something huge from PAWS. But I didn't know the circulating supply. I wasn't be able to check the circulating supply though. Let's see what is going to happen. So just make sure you have gas fee, and then let's expect something huge from PAWS airdrop, because it has been long we earn from airdrop. We earn like huge amounts of profit or rewards from airdrop. So let's expect that this Solana blockchain airdrop is going to give us something massive. So if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so. Make sure you hit that notification button so that whenever we drop any update in this channel, you will be the first person to get notified immediately. If there's any update, I'll be dropping it in this channel. And the claiming day, I will do all the tutorials you need to drop it in this channel so that you will be able to follow all the process and claim your tokens immediately. I'll see you guys in the next update. Thank you.